YouTube, how in the fuck are you guys doing today? So today, this is, again, we're gonna do what's going on in the shop this week, what all happened, and I bought some new tools. But we'll get into the new tools here in just a little bit. You know, again, I don't get on the tool truck and jerk the tool truck guy off. I buy shit. Where do you see this stuff? So anyway, this week has been a very hectic week. I don't mean to beat a fucking dead horse, but one of the companies I work for had one of their employees get killed. He got ran over by a dump truck. So that kind of happened. It is a crew that I normally don't work with, but I know people that were on that crew. I know the guy. It's a really unfortunate situation, and you know, a couple weeks ago I put out that rant about that dipshit in Seattle taking off or putting the switch on the backup beeper. There is a fucking reason why I fucking got so mad about that. So the main reason is okay, I mean, I know the guy's trucking company that backed over the guy. The driver feels horrible because he worked with his crew every day. So let me explain to you what happened. OSHA came out. Once there's a fatality, you know, OSHA takes over. What they had to do was OSHA looked over the complete truck, okay? They cleared the driver of any wrongdoing by witness statements. They cleared the trucking company, you know, but they're going to go investigate to make sure his paperwork and all that shit is in fucking order. And it better be money, or you're going to be fucked. But what I'm saying is because everything on the truck worked, okay, it was, you know, they had the proper safety features and all that stuff, and that's really, you know, that's really what happened. Here's what it's going to do. It's going to make every other company out there spend a bunch of money on backup cameras, okay? I think that mandate is coming down the line. You know, we're probably one or two more accidents away from that being fully mandated, probably across the United States. At least some kind of backup camera, so if somebody's in between the mirrors, there is just another piece of insurance. I don't think that people should show up to work and lose their lives. That goes with anybody, whether I like you, hate you, don't like you, but it is a valuable lesson out there. I wanted to share that with you. I'm not going to release any more information about that, but I just want to let you know that's why I am very, 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 very important on not doing dumb shit and putting it on YouTube, because that could come back on you, driver. But anyway, that's what's going on. It's Saturday morning here. Just to let you know, Arlen from LED Performance got my big bore motor ready. I had it 2-dayed from Oregon, so I'm hoping that shows up today. All my Cerakoted parts be done for the four-wheeler, so I'm hoping to have that done by Sunday night. I'm praying, all right? At least by Monday morning, have all that shit ready so I can break the engine in and do that. I'll shoot some videos of probably, you know, me just working on it. It's not going to be a detailed fucking thing, but I'll show you that type of shit. What else we got going on this week? Been a great week on trucking. Been a great week. We are absolutely just slaughter fucking them right now. Just fucking out there wearing these goddamn trucks out. I feel like I'm gonna have to buy some more, but you know, I'm on a truck buying freeze. But anyway, let's get into this tool haul, because that's why you're all fucking here. So anyway, we'll start off with some of the, let me move this crap around. All right, thing I got from Mac, I got some RT bits, metric. This is, I actually got 2 of these. Another one will be here next week. I'm taking these and giving these to, one's gonna go to Michael Sabo, and one's going to go to Blake from DBC Racing. I told these guys they should check these out, so I'm going to give them One of those a piece. This is not for me. Again, gifts. All right. The next thing I bought is the Mac compression tool set. It is CT70. I bought this to do a compression test on the four-wheelers. So I didn't have one of those, so you know, fuck it. I need it. Alrighty, moving right along, from Snap-on, I bought some more flush guts because I have a weakness for flush guts. Alrighty, I bought one of these. It's basically about a $40 thing that you could get at probably Hobby Lobby. It's for, you know, opening up wiring looms. I kind of like these things. I needed one for the DT UAV. So I bought one of those. I'm sure I overpaid for it. Whatever. Don't really matter. I also had a warranty, my fucking pliers here. I really like these. These are a Blue Point item. Woo. But I really like these from Snap-on. You know, you can see that my other ones, I twisted the dog fuck out of them, you know. So, you know, I had to warranty those out, so that was awesome. Now, I usually don't buy stuff like this, but I thought it was cool. It was this Snap-on knife, and the only reason I bought it is because I really liked the blade shape. It looked different. You know, I just kind of, I saw it sitting there, and you know, I was like, put that shit in the pile. Put that shit in the pile. So, I got that. Alrighty, the next thing that I needed, and I realized I didn't have this shit until I started working on the four-wheeler, is I needed metric 3/8 6-point fucking chrome sockets. Okay? So, as usual, I bought shallow, semi-deep. These are all 8 through 19. And I bought deep. Alright, so I got all three flavors. There is some sizes that I don't have that I will order through Jason as we go. Alrighty. Call him back. Hold on. I'll call him back. Alrighty. The next thing that I bought is this bastard. I don't know if you can see it. It is the 100-year anniversary 1/4-inch set. Okay, I bought this because I wanted to have a 1/4-inch set in the DT UAV chrome. I have impact, but sometimes chrome works good, so I bought this. Okay, my dealer got 3 of them. I actually called him yesterday and I said, "Hey, you got this 100th anniversary set? I want it." And he goes, "Yeah, I bought 3 of them. I figured you would want one. I'm taking one, and then I have one for sale. But yeah, I got you one." I said, "Cool, driver, I'll be up to get it." Now, a lot of you guys know you're gonna hear these other YouTubers going on there, "Oh my God, the fucking thing is $2,400. Okay, so it's $2,400. Yank, yank. Again, get out your big boy pants and buy some shit. So Jason told me, he goes, "Justin, I could either give you the tools at a hell of a deal, okay, hell of a deal, or you can pay full price and get some other goodies." And I said, "Well, what are the other goodies, driver?" And he's like, "Well, it's your choice." So I want to show you what I got. And this is explained. I want to explain to this. When you get on the tool trucks and you buy shit, you get taken care of every once in a while, okay? There is some shit that will go down that they will save special for you because they know you're a bowler and a boss, okay? And that you spend money and you're not a bitch on the goddamn fucking tool truck asking prices and all this horse shit, all right? So we got that. And then he brought me into his garage because we were actually at his house. And he's like, "Okay, you can pay full price and you can get this stuff." And then I was just like, "Okay, I'll pay full price." So the first thing we got, oh my God, is a Traxxas limited edition Factory 535 hot rod pickup truck. I picked this up because I'm like, man, this will be fun to play with. And I was like, he showed me this first. I said, okay, I'll take that pickup truck. And he goes, wait, there's more. And I was like, you got to be bullshitting. He's like, nah, there's more. I said, all right, lay it on me. And then he was like, do you want this? And I said, put that shit in the pile. All right, I didn't even let him put the shit in the goddamn pile, driver. So I got this. It's again a factory 5 GTM Traxxas sports car. It says 100th anniversary snap-on that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. And then I was like, okay, cool. You know. And then he's like, wait, there's more. I said, huh? I said, have you lost your mind today, Jason? He goes, no. He goes, this is part of the promo package for somebody that wanted to pay full price. I said, I'm your man. And then he whipped this big motherfucker out. Look at this motherfucker. Look at that. We got Ultimate RC Traxxas hauler. 6x6 off-road action. Okay? Look at this shit. Alright, we got 6-wheel drive. We got remote locking differentials. We got 2-speed transmission so we can shift gears. Jam it in there. We got some kind of portal axle fucking thing. I'm not into remote control cars. Maybe somebody in the comments section will let me know. And some LED lighting. And I was like, oh my God, playa. Oh my God, put all that shit in the pile. All right? All right? And put that on my truck account. I'll get you next week. No, I paid him. He has my credit card. He just runs it fucking once a month. So that's all we got this week. But I thought it was cool that he hooked me those up. Also, take care of your tool truck dealers. And in return, they will take care of you. But, like anyway, check out Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, fucking all that horse shit bullshit. And like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.